What I have for sale today is a 1992 Chevrolet 2500. It's a 3/4 ton long bed extended cab. It's got a 350, a 5-speed manual transmission, matching wheels and tires. The paint is terrible. This truck either gonna be a good work truck or go get it painted. I've got a price on getting it painted for $600 from a guy here local if you're interested. And it's the Scottsdale. There's that little dent right there. The guy said for $600 he'd fix that dent and paint it. It's just this year that white paint just did not take. Good windows in it. Open down. Door panels. Interior has that one little hole right there. Other than that, it's clean. Headliners drooping in spots. The dash is cracked. The AC works, the heater works, and this thing will fire right up. It has 204,858 miles on it. It runs real good. I think the clutch is going to be going out soon. When you push it in, it doesn't make any noise. When you let out, it makes noise. And when you're going through the gears, it makes noise. Somebody told me it's the pressure plate or the throw-out bearing. It doesn't need to be replaced right now today, but it will need to be replaced. That's why I'm selling it so cheap. This thing runs great. That engine is super quiet. This hood open. Keep locking it back. Takes two hands to open this thing. Hold on. Alright, there we go. Takes two hands to open it. 350. Super quiet. AC works. Everything on it's good. Good battery. I have a clear Texas title in hand. Don't let the mileage scare you. These are solid trucks. You can come out and drive it. You can drive it home. It's just that clutch makes noise. But it's cheap. I just filled it up with gas. Got a full tank of fuel in it. And I'm selling this one. I'm asking $2,250 for it. Give me a call, 940-368-2314. 940-368-2314. Thank you.